Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE to Lite, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just first open the Muviz Edge application. Now we can see that we have selected this stem, so we can swatch it, for example, to this one. Click here to apply. We can change the backgrounds of the stem, so just let's select this one, tap to apply again, click to the music controls. We can hide them after 30 seconds. We can switch it to this 10 or just to never, just to don't hide them. We can also turn on and turn off to show the incoming notifications from different apps. We can show or to turn off the battery status, the calendar, the date, and the battery status. So now we have selected the always. We can switch it to the while device charging and just don't show the battery status. So let's click here on the X icon, tap to the settings section, click to the always on display, and now we can switch just show time on the always on display from always while device charging when we'll play the music, or also we can use that two features separately. Or we can switch the timeout of the AOD from 1 minute to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level, and we can also close with the double or single tap on the lock screen, or for example if you have set it up the fingerprint scanner here, you can also turn it off with the fingerprint. And also one more thing, we can set here the shadow, the start and the end time of the always on display feature. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display on our OnePlus device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.